Hi, welcome to this product demo for Mentza, your very own career success platform. Once your account is set up, you'll land on your institute's homepage. Look for the banner at the top to confirm that you're in the right place. On this homepage, you'll see three main tools to support your success. The first is AI assessments that evaluate your strengths and suggest areas for improvement. The second is live coach-led courses, which are interactive sessions to guide your growth. The third is pre-recorded learning sessions from industry leaders. Let's begin with the AI assessment tool. Choose the type of assessment you'd like to take, and you'll get started right away. Here's how it works. You'll be guided through a live interview simulation.
Okay, Tapasi, can you tell me a bit about yourself and why you are interested in interning at Samsung?
I want to intern with Samsung because I'm just starting my career. This is going to be my first job, and I think it's a reputed company where I will learn a lot.
Can you walk me through your qualifications and relevant experiences that make you a good fit for an internship at Samsung?
The AI will ask you relevant questions. Your responses will be analyzed to provide detailed feedback on your performance. At the end of the assessment, you'll receive a comprehensive evaluation report. This report will also suggest specific courses. Mentza offers a variety of live courses led by industry experts and trained professionals. Topics range from interview preparation to mindset development and confidence building. These interactive sessions ensure personalized guidance for your growth. You can enroll in as many courses as you need to achieve your goals. Next, you have pre-recorded learning sessions from industry leaders, specially curated to provide valuable insights and strategies for your growth. These sessions are designed to help you learn at your own pace. Once you've completed an AI assessment and signed up for courses, your homepage will update to reflect your progress. You will see your assessment report, which you can access from the View Reports button. Additionally, all your upcoming sessions will be displayed on the homepage. If you want to explore more courses, assessments, or practice sessions, use the bottom navigation bar for quick access. This experience is designed to ensure your growth and career success. Wishing you the very best in your journey with Mentza.